Okay, now in this video, I want to talk about the importance of using new features on Instagram. So whenever Instagram launches new feature, you may have seen this. People who use those new features, people who jump on these new sort of trends or features, they get a lot of benefit. And I'm seeing this on my account as well. So recently, Instagram has launched the Reels feature, which is right here. And my engagement, my growth on my Instagram account has been skyrocketed. It's been crazy, to be honest with you, since I started using Reels. I was the first one to, or among the first people to adopt and learn and use this new feature. And in addition to Reels, they're also launching something called Guides, which is right here. You can create guides. It's like a collection of your posts. You can bring all of your posts together. So for example, I have a guide on YouTube Shorts. And then also YouTube Live. Not many people use that. You can benefit from that too. So to step back, basically keep an eye on what's coming new on the Instagram platform. Because when you jump on and start using some of these new features, guess what? You're going to get a boost. You're going to get more engagement, more reach, and more follower growth for your account. Now, let me show you something. Actually, it's really, really interesting. So here is, I don't know if you can see, so my IGTV. The way I do IGTV is I go live and then I save them on my IGTV. So 720 views, 435 views. But if I scroll down, my views were like very minimum, probably like half of that. So 132, 204. So it was like in 100. So my IGTV views almost like tripled, right? And the reason for that is, one, I started using it more consistently, and two, because I started using or investing more time into my Instagram Reels content. And also I started going more live more consistently. So those are the things you want to keep an eye on. Let me scroll down and see if I can find some of my older videos and like do a quick comparison to show you guys the difference of the views. So let's go find some of my older videos, and then I'll show you, for example, this one right here. Let's see, 500 views. Here's another one, 415 views. And obviously, you know, it's also true that I have grown since then, right? So my account has definitely grown. But let's go back to the most recent videos and let's look at some of the views recently. And mostly, recently, I've only been using Reels because I'm seeing a lot of like organic engagement. So this one posted today. This is gonna show the likes. So if I want to see the views for apples to apple, I'm gonna go inside the Reels tab. So 3,000, 5,000, 7,000, 9,000, 12,000. Some of my Reels have hit over 100,000 too, 11,000. So this is a 10,000, 12,000 almost. Oh, look at this. I did not even know this. 400 and this video has 421,000. I don't know, maybe one of my videos has hit 1 million, who knows. But the point being, it's not the flexing, it's not just showing the numbers. The point I want to make in this video is, do not run away from new features of Instagram. Actually do the opposite. Embrace them and start using them. Here's what I would do. And obviously this is going to change depending on when you watch this video. It's going to change in future because Instagram, Facebook, they keep evolving, they keep changing, they keep bringing new features. But you know, what I would do is, don't run away from Instagram Live. Do live maybe once or twice per week. And a simple one is you can do Q&A with your audience. That's very simple. Number two is Instagram Reels. So Instagram wants to compete with TikTok, right? So I think in near future, 2021, maybe like 2022, Instagram Reels is going to evolve. It's going to have more features. It's going to have more like bells and whistles. So invest into creating Reels for your Instagram account. And then, you know, I would say 4 to 6 per week. That's almost like daily, which is what I do. I think definitely that will give you a boost on engagement. Number 3 is the guides, right? That's a brand new feature. I've only created one so far. It only came a couple of days ago, but I want to create more guides and see what the effect is. Here's another thing. Not all new features will probably give you, you know, positive results, right? But here's what happens. When you test some of these features, guess what? The ones that Instagram is really giving a push to, it can take your account to a completely different level, right? And it doesn't take that much. Like if you're on Instagram, you're probably already creating stories, a feed posts, and videos, right? You are, right? So shift that content to some of these new formats and test it and see which some of you guys will benefit a lot from like doing lives. Some will see a lot of growth from reels, right? Some may see from guides, but it's all about something that I always say, hashtag ABT, which is always be testing. And obviously, keep an eye on new features, and as soon as you see something new, jump on it, test it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.